Welcome and thank you so much for watching this video. This video is brought to you by EduRise Global. My name is Aravindan and I will be speaking about an extremely exciting opportunity for you to be a part of. Well, if you are a millennial kid, you will always have this dream to share your idea on the big stage in front of an international audience and in a deeply inspiring way. Of course, we all watch TED Talks and we get inspired by them, right? Today, I'm going to talk about one of such rare opportunities where you could be a part of something really big, an opportunity that also provides you a chance to get mentored and coached, finally, to deliver a talk on the TED stage. I hope you are excited about this as much as I am today. Let's explore. I think before I start off, it is important that we understand more about what exactly is TED. So, TED is a non-profit devoted to spreading ideas, usually in the form of short, powerful talks which are 18 minutes or less. TED began in 1984 as a conference where technology, entertainment, and design converged. And today it covers almost all topics from science to business to global issues in more than 100 languages. Meanwhile, there are so many independently run TEDx events to help share ideas in communities around the world. I had the privilege of speaking at a TEDx conference last year, and it is one of the memories to cherish always. Maybe later, sometime, I'll post a video about my experiences. Here is the big question: how can I be a part of the TED Fellow program? The applications are already open. You can take your time to fill it up and submit it before 24th of August 2020. This is for the 2021 cohort of applications, of course. The TED committee takes around 8 months to review your applications and get back to you with the result whether you are selected or not. Well, in case if you are selected, TED's expert coaches will help you hone, express, and communicate your work and ideas, as well as they will give you a platform to share them. You will meet individuals who can support you professionally, and you'll also join the powerful global network of TED fellows, innovators who may be your future collaborators. And as a TED fellow, you'll also have access to professional and speaker coaching opportunities, public relations guidance, and so much more. You must be available to speak with the TED Fellows team via conference for approximately 10 hours to develop your short TED Talk. And you must also be available to participate and contribute to a thriving and connected global community, both virtually and in person whenever possible. So they are planning to invite the next class of fellows on an in-person conference in Monterey, California, USA from May 29th to June 4th of 2021. There's also a possibility that the TED Fellowship may become entirely virtual depending on expert advice and local health safety protocols due to the coronavirus. Now, coming to the application in itself, right? The most important thing is the deadline, 24th of August 2020. It's a straight one. And they've also mentioned that there will not be any possible extension of this date. So it is important you get started as soon as possible. So within the application, they are actually asking around 64 questions. While most of them are logistical and very basic questions, there are also questions that requires your answers in detail, which means that you have to take your time, reflect, and write those answers. A very important aspect of the application is also about having three recommendations as part of your application. So it is important that you start reaching out to people who could potentially recommend you as a part of this specific program. Given that it is a competitive opportunity, please start as early as possible in filling up your application. Remember, they are looking for individuals who have a proven track record in the field and are on the brink of an incredible breakthrough, but need extra support to get there. So they are looking for individuals from all disciplines and who have collaborative and kind personalities. You can apply if you are 18 years of age or above, and even if you are a student or a young graduate. Well, that's pretty much what I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and all the very best for your TED Fellow application. I hope you get through and wish the best of luck. Please subscribe to the EduRise Global channel for more of such interesting and insightful content, and do share the video with your friends to help them know about this opportunity. Every opportunity matters. See you on the next video.